Hey there, seekers of abundance. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the secrets of manifesting large sums of money and unlocking the true potential of our minds. Today, we are diving deep into the extraordinary power of consciousness and its profound impact on our total wellness. We'll explore the limitless possibilities that lie within our minds and the incredible ways in which we can shape our own reality. But wait, there's more. We'll uncover the secrets to rewiring our brains and activating our subconscious to manifest those desired outcomes, especially when it comes to attracting abundance. And the cherry on top, we'll dive into the powerful practice of mindful reprogramming as we explore the mesmerizing world of the law of attraction. But hold on. Before we embark on this transformative journey together, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support acts as the fuel that powers our mission to empower people like you to manifest their dreams and transform their lives. Join our vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are stepping into their greatness and unlocking their financial abundance. Together, we'll break barriers, shatter limitations, and create a life of unimaginable wealth and success. All right, let's get started. Quantum physics teaches us that energy and consciousness are inseparable forces that intricately intertwine. They form the very fabric of our existence, working in unison to manifest our physical reality. This understanding opens up a realm of possibilities where our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions converge with the energetic field, creating a profound impact on our lives. So, friends, quantum physics invites us to a realm of infinite choices and possibilities, emphasizing that at every moment in time, we have the ability to make new decisions and embrace different paths. This concept liberates us from the limitations of a fixed reality, allowing us to embrace the potential for personal transformation and growth. Just as the law of creation governs the exact process by which a seed transforms into a specific plant, so too does it exemplify the precision of the universe's workings. The seed's journey represents the tangible demonstration of the natural laws at play, showcasing how focused energy patterns give rise to our desired outcomes. From this perspective, we realize that we possess the power to take control of our lives and actively shape them. By embracing a creative consciousness perspective, we tap into our innate ability to shape our reality according to our aspirations and desires. Through intentional thoughts, beliefs, and actions, we sculpt the path to our dreams and live a life aligned with our true purpose. Understanding that the universe is composed entirely of energy deepens our appreciation for its boundless possibilities. Energy exists in different forms, whether it be the particles that make up observed objects or the impulses of thoughts, sounds, and emotions that reverberate as waveforms. This realization reveals the interconnectedness of all things and the profound influence our thoughts have on the world around us. As humans, we possess a remarkable capacity to bring ideas into existence through the power of our thoughts. By projecting our intentions and visualizations into our minds, we set in motion a potent creative force that materializes those ideas into our reality. Our thoughts act as the catalyst for transformation, empowering us to shape the world we inhabit. It is crucial to recognize that the external world we perceive is actually an interpretation of electrical signals within our brains. Our senses gather information from the environment, transforming it into electrical impulses that are then processed by the brain. This interpretation creates our unique perception of the world, highlighting the intricate connection between our internal processing and our external experiences. Our perception of time and space, two fundamental aspects of our reality, are a result of the interaction between our mind and body. As our consciousness interacts with our physical senses, our experience of time becomes subjective, and our concept of space is structured within the parameters of our perceptual framework. This understanding empowers us to question and explore the malleability of these perceptions in our own lives. Delving into the field of neuroscience, we uncover the intricate processes through which our brain interprets and processes information. It utilizes various channels such as imagery, sound, smell, taste, and touch to create a holistic perception of our surrounding. Understanding the dynamics of this neural processing enhances our awareness of the profound interplay between our thoughts, experiences, and the shaping of our reality. Harnessing the power of our minds, we can actively control and shape our reality by reprogramming our brain with new instructions. Rather than relying on default settings dictated by conditioning and external influences, we can consciously choose our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. This intentional programming empowers us to manifest our desired outcomes and transcend perceived limitations. Consciousness, when accessing its true potential, holds the incredible power to create motivation, inspiration, expression, healing, and personal growth. It serves as the driving force behind our actions and the catalyst for transformation. By tapping into this reservoir of consciousness within ourselves, we unlock a profound ability to shape our reality and live a life infused with purpose and fulfillment. Friends, if I ask you what the primary function of your brain, what would be your answer? I tell you. The primal function of our brain is not merely a static organ, but a dynamic tool ready to be utilized for our growth and fulfillment. It is through this remarkable tool that we perceive and interpret the world around us. However, what if we told you that you have the ability to consciously rewire your brain to shape your experiences? The perception of reality is not fixed. It is internal and fluid. By rewiring the brain, you gain the power to consciously alter that perception and create a new reality aligned with your desires. One way to achieve this is by stepping outside your normal routine, exploring new horizons, and embracing experiences that challenge your comfort zone. Another powerful way to rewiring the brain is by allowing yourself to dream. Immerse yourself in the vision of your perfect reality. Close your eyes and vividly imagine the life you want to create. Dreaming yourself into a new reality stimulates the neural networks, setting the stage for manifestation. Repeat affirmations that resonate with your goals. Fill your mind and heart with affirmations like "I am capable of achieving my dreams," or "I attract abundance effortlessly." These positive statements create a powerful energy within you, aligning your thoughts and actions with the manifestation of your desires. As you consciously rewire your brain and direct its energy towards manifesting your desires, watch as your dreams start to materialize in physical reality. The power to create lies within you, and by embracing the concept of rewiring your brain, you unleash a force capable of achieving extraordinary results. As we conclude this empowering journey, let's reflect on the profound insights we've gained and the potential we hold within ourselves. Studies have shown that conscious changes to our beliefs and behavior patterns can rewire our brain, paving the way for the creation of new physical realities. With intention, we have the ability to replace toxic thinking patterns with positive attitudes and beliefs. By consciously choosing to shift our mindset, we can reshape our neural pathways, leading to a transformation in our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Every moment presents us with a choice to focus our attention and energy on what we desire to manifest. We have the power to direct our thoughts and intentions towards our goals, aligning ourselves with the realization of our truest desires. This power of choice aligns with the law of attraction, which states that what we put out into our environment will be reciprocated back to us. When we mentally prepare ourselves for the desired outcome, when we focus our thoughts and emotions on what we want to attract, we enhance the efficiency of this process. As you embark on this incredible journey of manifestation, know that the power to create the life you yearn for resides within you. Embrace the principles we've explored, trust in your ability to choose, and stay aligned with your dream. The universe is ready to conspire in your favor. So go forth, live intentionally, and flourish in the magic of manifestation. God bless.